Hey guys, it's Jag here from Jag Aquatics, and today's video is all about the scape that we created for one of our client, Chris. First of all, really want to give him a big thanks that he chose me for scaping his beautiful tank. So for this scape, what client wanted was a mysterious mountain kind of scape with a couple of waterfalls, a fog coming out of the waterfalls, and also they wanted some kind of bonsai tree where we ended up using Buddha Valley fig and also scape full of moss. So that was the kind of the starting requirements from the client. And they also wanted to use the dragon rock, so something which is more, the color is brown or orangish brown in color. And so these were the requirements from client. And after that, from my side, what I planned is that we can create 3 waterfalls. So even though this tank is not as big for 3 waterfalls, but we were able to create 3 waterfalls. And the main reason also was to give a tank a big dimension. So if we can create 3 waterfalls, a lot of detail, the scape looks obviously bigger than the size of the tank, and that's what we try to achieve. So what you can see here is we have one waterfall from the top right side, we have another waterfall on the left side, and then there is one coming from the higher area. And also when I switch on the mister, you will see, or switch on the fogger, what you will see, that is a fog coming out of here and out of these 2 caves also. So next I will go through the different waterfalls that we created, and also how the maintenance is made easy in this tank by doing a smart plumbing. And you will see that it's really easy to take out a pump or to take out a fogger if they need any kind of replacement. Also, what you can see here is nice fog is coming out of those 2 waterfalls, and it's the same thing on the right side and all the way down. So it's a nice fog effect, which will also help to keep the moss in a nice moist condition. So next I want to show you how the maintenance of this Paludarium can be done. We have really spent quite a lot of time designing it to perfection and also keeping in mind the maintenance. So from the left side, what you can see here is the top part is detachable. So basically you can lift it, you will see what happens. And when you lift it, you can see a lot of fog there coming out. So basically your fogger is in there. That's how the fogger is sitting, and that's how it creates a nice effect of fog coming from top down the hill all the way. In the same way on the right side also, it's the same thing here. So if your fogger dies or something else happens, you can easily replace it or fix it. And in the middle, what you see here is a nice fig, Buddha Valley fig. That was again a requirement from a customer, but what also we done, part of it is you can easily take it out. I put it in a pot. I haven't planted moss yet, so there will be some moss on the top. But if the pumps die or something else happen, basically a client can lift this whole unit up, put it on a side. I can show you. Both the pumps are sitting very nicely. And if a pump dies or something happens, they can easily go and the tank can go in and easily it can be replaced. So a thought process went into the whole scape, and that's how I do all my scapes for Paludariums, considering that how the maintenance needs to be done. And once maintenance is done, and also what you can see here is there is no sand, nothing in it. There's all protection taken care so that the sand doesn't go into that area and cause the filter. And after that, you just place this fig back into the position and that's done. So without any further delays, let's jump into the video and see how this complete scape was created. And also thanks for watching this video, guys, and I will see you all in the next video. Take care. Bye.